Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I still remember the first time I met Dr. Stevens. It was in this cafeteria. He asked me where I was from. I told him China. He suddenly lost all his interest and never spoke a word again. For the past 6 years, we eat lunch together in the same cafeteria at the same table almost every day. But we hardly know each other since we hardly talk. It was not that we don't have anything in common. We do. For example, we are the two most beautiful looking people on campus. In order to make this speech today, I interviewed Dr. Stevens yesterday. We had a long, deep, and intense conversation. I have found many great things about him, but nothing is interesting. Before I shared with you about the interview, I need to make two things very clear. First, what I'm going to say about him would be very offensive, but I'm going to say anyway. Second, what I'm going to say about him is all truth, nothing but truth, because they were all based on our deep, long, and meaningful conversation, my 6 years long observation, and my random imaginations. It was not true that Dr. Stevens only likes silent movies and hates all Hollywood movies. His favorite movie is 1959's The Ten Commandments. As a matter of fact, that was the only movie he watched after 1939's Gone with the Wind. Dr. Stevens lives a very well-balanced and disciplined life. He spends most of his time in his office until 9:30 p.m., no matter how much his wife complains. He gets up at 5:30 every morning. Then he would do one of the two things: running or thinking. When weather is good, he's running. When weather is bad, he would do the thinking. In Kansas, bad and good weather goes half and half. Dr. Stevens keeps a great shape because of running, but he lost all his hairs because of thinking. I asked him if he could start over, what would he do differently? He said he would do almost exactly same things. He would marry the same woman, and he would teach the same subject, which is physics, at the same college, and he would use the same office with the same computer, which is still running great with Windows 95. If there's any change, he said, he would want a better supervisors and not so lousy colleagues. Thank you very much.